How to use 1 gig data for 1 month. Follow this step-by-step tutorial to enable this option inside your phone to use 1 gig data for 1 month. In order to activate this option to use less data on your phone or to disable background data for consuming your data inside your phone, to do this, you have to go to your phone settings. When you get to your phone settings, you will locate your sim network, sim my network. When you get to your sim my network, you will click on sim 1 first. Now, when you click on your sim 1, you will gently scroll down and locate your data usage. Now, click on data usage. Now, these are the apps that are consuming your data at the background of your phone without authorization. Sometimes you will load data before 5 minutes, all your monthly subscription will get exhausted. In order to deactivate this background data consumption, you have to click on the first app and make sure that it is off. This is on, make sure that it is off. Now, go to the next app. As you can see, this one is consuming 3 gig almost every week. No, almost every days. This one is photos. As you can see, just switch it off. You will switch it off. After, go to the next app and make sure that you switch them off. You see the rate how these apps are consuming your data at the background of your phone. The photos, the Facebook, YouTube, Opera Mini are highly consuming your data. That is why you have to deactivate this option. Now, after deactivating them from sim 1, you will head back to sim 2. Now, when you click on your sim 2, you will also click on mobile data. You click on app data usage again at your second sim. Now, when you click on data app usage, you will also select the first one. As you can see the rate that this photo app is consuming my data. It's very alarming. That is why when you subscribe sometime, within 10 minutes, your monthly subscription will just be exhausted. Yes, in order to activate it, do likewise, click on it and make sure that it is turned off. I repeat, make sure that it is turned off. After offing this one, you go to the next app and also switch it off. Switch your Facebook off. Also switch the app off. And these apps that are showing green tips, make sure that you switch all of them off from consuming your data at the background. I repeat, you have to switch them up. Even your Telegram, also switch them, all of them, switch them off from Facebook. To deactivate this option or to deactivate your Facebook from consuming your data, make sure that you are constantly using Facebook. If you don't have a Facebook or you are not using Facebook, please ignore this option so that you will be using 1 gig data for more than 1 month. Now, to do this, click on your profile picture at the top right hand side. When you click on it, you have to click on settings. You have to click on settings. Now, when you click on settings, you will scroll down, gently scroll down to locate your medias. Now, when you get to your media, you will click on data saver. I repeat, click on data saver. When you click on this tick box, when you tick it, that means you have automatically save 40% less data from the normal one that you used to do before. Now, when you activate this option, your Facebook and your mobile app will be using less data and your background app will not be consuming data anymore, and you will be able to use 1 gig data for 1 month. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful tutorial of this video. If you find it helpful, don't hesitate to like, share and subscribe.